Imagine the stillness of the morning grounding you, connecting you to a place of calm strength. This quick, powerful routine will guide you through movements that center and engage every part of the body, creating stability and balance. Let's start this journey moving from gentle focus to steady strength. Let's hit the mat. Begin seated with a tall spine, arms extended in front of you. Slowly roll each wrist in small circles, releasing tension. Imagine each roll as a gentle reset, like opening a door to movement. Reverse the direction halfway through, inviting flexibility and readiness into each hand. As you finish, your wrists are loose, prepared for everything from typing to lifting to greeting the day. Keep a steady seat. Place your right hand behind you and your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, lengthening your spine, then exhale, twisting gently to the right. Feel each vertebrae release, like a morning stretch for your spine. Alternate sides. Each twist creates balance and resilience, helping you feel centered and strong as your spine gradually awakens. Stand up, feet wide apart. Shift into a side lunge on your right, stretching your inner thigh, then come back to center and lunge to the left. After each lunge, transition into a light runner stretch. This movement flows smoothly, bringing flexibility and warmth into your hips, thighs, and hamstrings. Feel the stretch draw energy through your legs, waking them up with strength and grace. Lie down on your stomach and press up onto your forearms, lifting your chest into a gentle back extension. Let your shoulders relax as if you're inviting calm to flow through your spine. Each breath deepens the stretch, warming up the lower back and core. This stretch grounds your spine, bringing stability and calm, helping you feel ready and prepared. Sit tall, drawing your right knee into your chest, hugging it close. Let your glutes settle into the mat, feeling the gentle release through your hips and lower back. Switch to the left side after 30 seconds, bringing your left knee in and allowing the other leg to extend. With each breath, Feel the tension ease away, inviting a lightness into your legs and core. Great work! In these 5 minutes, you've grounded yourself, loosened up tight muscles, and built a sense of calm strength. Keep this feeling close as you start your day, and remember, you're ready for whatever comes your way. Try another stretch, a workout, or a moment of reflection to carry this focus forward. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!